playing with a new choo-choo train. Oh, one's missing? Is there anything missing? No, nothing missing. Uh-oh, watch out, Max. It can fall into your legs and it hurt you, okay? Max very happy playing with the new train today, huh, Max? You like the new train? Oh, don't drop that one. It might hurt you, Max. That's very heavy. Very heavy, Max.
Okay, let's go.
Are you starting the new bus, Max? Are you starting the car? It makes a noise there. What's that noise for? Huh? Wow. Who makes that noise? Which car makes that noise? Is it the big bus? Which one makes the noise? Is this Chase or is it Marshall? Oh yeah. Marshall's making noise, huh?